Welcome back to ASMR Foot Massage and Care Chronicles. We start by carefully preparing the foot, creating a calm and clean environment. This step is all about comfort, soft cleansing, a light touch, and gentle attention. The process is designed to reduce tension and prepare the area for a refreshing transformation. Our goal is not only to create a satisfying visual experience, but also to share wellness tips that you can carry into your own self-care routine. As the session continues, notice the satisfying detail of the nail being freed and shaped with care. These soothing visuals, combined with the soft narration, invite you to relax deeply. Many viewers use these videos to fall asleep, study, or simply let go of stress after a long day. As gentle raindrops fall, and the soft sounds of birds mingle with distant thunder, each careful trim peels away thick layers. Let your mind drift and unwind. This isn't just a pedicure. It's a slow, soothing healing, one calm motion at a time. Thank you for joining me today in this gentle nail restoration session. If you found this video helpful or relaxing, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more wellness content. You can also support our work by becoming a member of our channel, sending a super thanks or sticker, joining us on Patreon for exclusive ASMR foot care content. Your support helps us create more relaxing, high-quality videos designed for self-care and education. Until next time, take care of yourself, one step at a time.